to Epcot today. We were here this morning and we're going to go to Magic Kingdom this evening to go and see, I can never remember what it's called, Enchantment?
Yep.
I always keep wanting to say it's wishes again, but it's not. That's just wishful thinking. So we're just doing a couple of the rides this morning that we want to redo and some that we haven't done at all yet, before having a bit of a break and chill out, freshen up, then go back to Magic Kingdom this evening. We are about to go on Finding Nemo, well the seas we're Finding Nemo, which is a really cool ride. It's only got a 5-minute queue, park's just opened, it's 20 past 10, so enjoy your day with us. Very similar to Under the Seas with Ariel. If you can hear me, it's so noisy in here. We're going to watch this magical shell show. Very magical. I do love this.
Nemo, I am not going to lose you again. Don't you hear me? Nemo!
Oh, science is great. There's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers. It's time to go.
I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son.
Ooh, I can help. You're good. And I'm saying
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
I wonder if clownfish taste funny. Nemo! Why don't you drop by for a little?
Check out the mini marlin. Woohoo!
in the big blue world, we're ready to go.
Let's look out.
The aquarium's so cool in here after Nemo, but make sure you go upstairs because there's so much more to see as well.
They must be training them on the other side. Yeah.
There's normally dolphins in here, you can see them just over there. In the other aquarium, it looks like they're not allowed in this bit. Not sure, maybe they're cleaning it or something, I don't know. It's a huge aquarium. It's a turtle, don't it?
Oh, look, there's a Mickey thing down there. Is he coming our way or will he turn around?
A not so hidden Mickey. That was fun doing Under the Sea with Nemo and friends. And now we're going to go and do Ratatouille. But it's just a nice chill thing with your aquarium as well. Just because you have to say you've done it, we're going to go and do the Imagination Station with Figment. More importantly, Winnie the Pooh's over there.
Alright, why do you go up in your seat?
He's just out here catching butterflies. Okay, back to vlogging. Sorry, got distracted by Winnie the Pooh.
What's that?
That is from Flubber, the movie.
Oh.
It had Robin Williams in it.
Oh, yeah, I know what you mean.
This is... Out of all of them three, they picked him. It's a walk-on.
Hello. On your tour, you'll see how the 5 human senses can help capture your imagination.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
With just a spark of inspiration, I made my house an innovation. Imagination really comes around. Makes downside up and upside down.
Of creation, right at the start of everything that's new.
Adam, what did you think of Figment?
I really liked it. It's very cute.
Adam thinks it's the first time he's ever done that ride.
It is the first time we've ever done that ride.
We did it. I swear we did it back in 2019.
Nope.
Maybe,
100% not.
maybe when I go with my other husband, I did it.
Yeah.
Maybe. How many you got?
Not enough to pay for my lifestyle still. We're now heading towards Ratatouille, finally. We've been a little bit distracted today because we found lots of cool stuff on the way. So it's still quite chilled in the park. Queues are quite calm. Nemo was only 5 minutes. That was really good.
Figment said 10, but it was a walk-on.
It was a walk-on.
It's like the original.
So it's quite chilled here. I definitely recommend coming earlier if you're going to do rides because we've had no issues getting on anything, which is really good. So yeah. Just eyeing this up because this sounds really good. Jalapeno bacon. House made with honey butter. I wonder if that's ever going to come back. I saw a meme on Disney Food Blog the other day, and they said that anyone that goes around the World Showcase, the opposite way to Mexico is a psychopath.
Is that us?
That's us.
Love it.
I always go the opposite way because it's less busy. Everyone goes that way. I'd rather end up in Mexico with cocktails than start there. Adam doesn't want a queue, so he's telling me to just run up and take selfies. I always want to shout, Alice, who the... It's not like going to be out of bed this time, it's 11:20. She's only asleep. Loads of carriages about today, it's brilliant. I think my Ratatouille tells you the wait time before you even get into the Ratatouille area. So it's 50 minutes this morning, so not too bad at all. I still really want to try them crepes. The ride time's 50 minutes. I'm excited. Last time though. Ooh.
This has been my favourite ride.
Yeah, no, I still think Mickey and Minnie's is my favourite.
This is better.
Here's Belle. Just gonna go into the Japan store because they've always got crazy sweets and stuff in there and some fun things that you do not get back at home. Can you make that our tree at home look like that? We've got a cloud tree. How long till is that?
A little while. It's a little bit small.
Wow. Just a bit. These remind me of Mercados that you used to get in Europe. They look cool.
Barley type flavour.
Strawberry Kit Kat.
Lychee.
How much is that then with 4 cups? $65. That's not bad. We can make it into shot glasses. Crazy cat things. The things always creep me out. Adam's got a lovely bonsai at home. What is that?
It's bonsai food.
I don't know if you'll be able to take it home. It's the cat things. I know they're not actual. Oh, they're money boxes.
Oh, they're cute.
Can I get a samurai sword? More creepy cats. These fans are pretty cute. And definitely could be used around the park because it is bloody hot.
That's good.
They're so cheap. $3.95.
$4.95.
Yeah, that's because you've got a very pretty one. You can still tell it's not quite back to how it used to be. So all of these you'd never ever used to see, and you'd never have a checkout that was just shoved in a corner. Any Hello Kitty lovers? A little rice cooker. These are so good. Bottle cleaning sponges.
What is that?
They're bottle cleaning sponges. So you put them in and then shake up your bottle. $6.95. I love going in that shop. There's so much quirky stuff in there to see.
Japanese are a little bit quirky, don't you?
We're now going to go and try and find some food because I'm hungry and there's still snacks I'm not eating around here yet. Although I did really like the look of that honey bread thing back there earlier, but I can't be bothered to walk back around the globe. So we'll see what's around here. I'm also looking for like a beer flight or they were doing like a champagne flight at one of the stalls, but I now can't remember where I saw it. So. Snow White, just next to the German pavilion. And where we got our amazing strudel the other day. I mean, I'd wait 2 hours in that queue. Just got to do an alligator check. Standard procedure, any water that I find. All of these visits, I've still never seen one. Well, we did once when we stayed at the Grand Floridian, there was one out of the water on the pathway as we got off the boat. That was a scary experience. That's so cute. And then just down the end of that line, I don't know if you can see through the trees, you can queue up to see Mulan. There's a theatre in there as well. And that is a very, very good Chinese restaurant where we usually eat in the evenings. But we banned ourselves from doing it this year because we do it every year, so we thought we'd try something different. going to go back to the honey place that we see earlier. And we now can't remember where it was. So this is going to be a really fun game. Oh look, Minnie Mouse. There's loads of characters out today. Well done to that dog, because we've seen loads of service dogs this trip with no shoes on their feet, and it's so hot, it's not fair on them. And I get that they're there to support the human, but they still shouldn't be made to walk on freaking hot tarmac. This is so clever. My favourite is still the, what are they called? Ostriches. Maybe I'll get Adam his own. It's a small world dog. I think we found it. Woohoo! Welcome to the Honey Bistro Garden. So this is going to be on all summer. Just check before you come in. Thank you, because I told you to. It's not here. Don't blame me. I didn't get you. The lady gave me it cheaper without you. Ooh, bottle of wine. So without the souvenir cup and the normal cup, it's $4.75. So there's a massive savings. It's $15 for a souvenir cup, and I would literally bin it. So it's pointless having it. They do it with vodka, and without, I'm driving, so I'm not having vodka. But I do think this is the cheapest lunch I've ordered, because I've managed to spend like $50 every lunchtime, and it comes to a total of $20.75. That's for 2 mains, a dessert, and a drink. It's about that I now kind of want the turkey skin. So this is the flatbread. This is the jalapeno honey bread, right?
Yeah, cornbread.
Frozen drink, can't remember what it was called. Cheesecake, looks amazing. I love all the merchandise in here. Cute little peg box. Which of these? It's for free. $39.99. Cute little drink. Oh, they come with a spoon. Rain mat. To be honest, we've been very lucky with the weather this time. Right decision going back to the honey stand. Flatbread was amazing with like goat's cheese, and the cornbread couldn't really taste the jalapeno, so it wasn't as hot as I was expecting it to be, but it was still really good. And the cheesecake was beautiful, so highly recommend going back there. And it was so cheap, so cheap. The drink was good, however, there's like a spoon shortage in Disney at the moment. So I think it's because of the reusable plastic side of stuff and single-use plastic. So we couldn't get a spoon, so I did get it all over my face. So we're now going to head to Norway to do Frozen again, just because I can, and it is so good. Oh, I like his tattoo on the back of his leg. I'll show you. I'm looking for a new tattoo for me, and I really want to get one. And I kind of think I want it to be Disney, but I've not seen one I absolutely love yet. And Adam
Has no tattoos.
because he's a wimp.
Love them, no pain.
That's what I love about Epcot. There's just so much stuff going on all the time. And I actually appreciate it more now than the first time we ever came, because I didn't really understand it. And now I think I do understand it. And I'm also getting really good at people dodging whilst doing this.
where you can get school bread ones.
School bread. If I don't like it, I'm blaming all you vloggers. Do not just stop at the first company, because look at these second ones. They are good. Adam really is here for the snacks though. Looks like it's got cream inside as well. We will rate it in 10. School bread.
10 out of 10.
Love school bread. Definitely recommend that. It's like a spice bun with like custard and stuff and icing on it.
Like, yeah, and coconut. Really good. Really
Well good. This is where we got the school bread from in Norway. Now for frozen.
You don't want to do the less intense. Right, see you in a minute.
There's a new space restaurant, Space 220. They're queuing to get in there because they've got the eating terrace, haven't they? So we're going to do Mission Space because Adam actually hasn't done this one.
No, never.
But we're going to do orange because we're not wimps. Adam may
I'm
regret
concerned
it.
by the word intense.
Hi, this is the more intense one. It's gonna spin you.
That's not-
Have fun.
This is the more intense one. It's going to spin you.
I'm concerned what I'm actually getting on.
A spaceship.
What is it?
Row 2, 2 and 2. Hey, how many? 2? Also number 2. Row number 2. It's bothering me.
Training Center. You're here today to train for the greatest adventure in the history of mankind, space exploration.
I loved it. He did love it so much.
Makes your head feel like it's going to explode.
It
Not a
does.
fan.
It's just very good. The G-force is really clever. And it literally makes your face look like it's doing that.
It is clever, but if you don't particularly like travel sickness or you feel lightheaded or anything like that, it's probably not the ride for you.
I didn't make him do the intense one. He chose the intense one.
It's done. Won't be doing it again.
You live and you learn. Ready for test track again? It's all my sunglasses done.
Hopefully
So
it
I
works
was
this
blinded.
time.
Oh, we're going. Bye. Show you all my monstrosity of a car. 210.
My car.
I love that ride, but I hate it because it wrecks my hair. But the only thing I will tell you all is, it's not the taking part that counts. It's all about the winning.
And we won.
Again. Now, going to say goodbye to Epcot.
A good day.
Bye, Epcot. Really sad. Because I've actually loved this park. Maybe the second most this trip.
Yeah, I'd go second most actually.
I think what they've done is really good. The interaction's been really good. I think I've appreciated stuff more, and the food's been freaking amazing.
I'm looking forward to it being completely finished. There's still so much going on in the park.
As you can see here. But yeah, we'll be back soon. But it's been an awesome trip. But now we're going home to get refreshed because the test track just trashed my hair. And I feel grim to go and watch the fireworks at Magic Kingdom for the last time before we go home.
From what? Who gave you the money? Good job?
Some of it was
Oh, I've got the stairs. Actually forgot about the stairs for a minute. I forgot.
Always take the stairs.
Yeah, but I forgot. She's got the pill in her bag. That's disgusting. Oh my God, Adam, have you got a new bag?
I have got a new bag.
Show us the new bag.
Have a magical night. There you are, y'all doing? Magical thoughts. Perfect. Little bit of pixie dust. Have a great night.
So we are back in Magic. Well, let's go over. Back in Magic Kingdom for the evening to watch the Enchantment Fireworks for the last time before we go home. But I just want to say the cast members make it so special here. Like even the little lady when we were tapping our magic bands, doing the pixie dust and stuff was so cute, and they've been amazing. It definitely feels like they're recruiting heavily. There's a lot of cast members with band in their ears, badges on at the moment.
Especially on a lot of the rides, and I think that's one of the biggest things. It appears to have been some staff shortages, and there's a lot of shops and stuff closed, things like that, which we think probably are more down to that. Maybe merchandise as well, but hasn't impacted our experience, I would say.
No, I don't think so. And it's what a lot of people have spoken about on Facebook and on blogs and stuff before, so they're definitely trying to bring it back to what it was. But I think I've still had an amazing time, so looking forward to this. We're going to head to Tomorrowland now for some dinner because I'm hungry again, and more food always. And then we're going to go and try and do Seven Dwarfs Mine Train before fireworks. Parked up until 11 tonight, so I'd like to do Carousel of Progress because we still haven't done it, and I still need to have my cheeseburger at Spring Rolls.
Let's go.
Bye. These would be cool if you put red juice in them.
You gotta dig a little deeper to find out who you are. You gotta dig a little deeper. It's really not that far.
Hey, who do you think Donald and Daisy brought?
Can't you see me on the stage performing Mozart? Take a look in the eyes, they still they gleam. Yep, I'd rather be called deadly for my killer show too deadly. Thank you, cause way down deep inside I know the truth.
I'm up for that. Such a gent. He's rather quiet in here actually, for 7:30. So we went to the Starlight Cafe. Food was brilliant. Completely forgot to take a picture because I was too busy stuffing my face with barbecue chicken burger, which was great.
I had the bacon burger. The burgers in Disney are always really good quality, so they're not bad.
Not bad, they were lovely.
Right, nice.
Very good. So we're now going to go and Seven Dwarfs Mine Train because we're full of food. Ready for test track again? Yay! It's all my sunglasses done that because I was blinded. Oh, we're going. Bye. So one of my new favourite things to do on Snow White's Mine Train is swing the barrel that you sit in, or the mine cart, whatever it's called. I was just saying how much we like to swing the carts now. So I apologise if you're in a car with us this trip because we have managed to get them pretty high. And also we've worked out that they swing right up until the last minute. So even when you're stationary, our car isn't. We're now going to the Carousel of Progress because it's been on our things to do list every time we've come here and we failed to complete it. So we're going there now.
For every area of the General Electric Pavilion. From the U.S. Affairs and...
I really love the music.
Thank you.
Welcome to Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress.
...is interrupting.
And guess who volunteered to choose the music for the program?
I did, Pop. Listen to this.
It's a dream come true for you and me. So there's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day.
So Carousel of Progress, catchy tune. Some of it's interesting, It's been updated, so it's very modern now as well. So it's not the original 1960s version, I think you said it was, but it's still worth doing. So you ticked it off your list. But we're now rushing because we'll go to the fireworks. Didn't realise it was a 20-minute show. Quick trip past the Purple Wall. But don't listen to me either, because I always take it here early, and once again I haven't. It's now 10 minutes to, so I'm going to go and find a spot, watch fireworks, and see you all just after. So good!
It's amazing, absolutely amazing.
Do you like it when you did the first time?
Yeah, actually the position where we were down on Main Street, because you got to see that all lit up as well, I thought it was really good.
So much better, wasn't it? Because, sorry, someone was saying something, so I was trying to listen to them. It is so much better because you do get to see all the visual as well.
And you appreciate fireworks more as well from further back.
And you definitely need to see it more than once because you miss so much stuff. But now we play the game of Stampede. It is actually very well organised. Well done, Disney. Hi everyone, we're back home and editing the vlog and just realised that we didn't do an end clip to our last evening at Magic Kingdom. We are going back. There is one more episode coming, which is our final day in the park, but we just wanted to go back and see the fireworks and take it all in. We got home pretty safely. It was nice and easily organised, but thank you so much for watching, and watching this again now has made us just want to go back. So we are definitely going to be on the hunt this evening for another trip because the fireworks were wicked and loved watching the video again. So if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe, notification bell to know when we're next posting. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, all the other things. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you very soon.